Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a special video because it'll be my first challenge video. So I've never done a challenge on my channel before and I've been wanting to for some time. So finally I'm doing a challenge and I'm very excited and also very nervous. So this challenge is going to be doing your makeup in just 5 minutes with just 5 products, and I don't know why I decided to do this because it seemed a little challenging. Well, I guess that's a good thing, right? Because it is a challenge video. Luckily, I won't be doing this challenge by myself because one of my beautiful YouTube friends named Isa is also doing one on her channel. So we are collaborating together. So definitely go and check her video out. She is beautiful. Her YouTube channel definitely is one to watch because she does such amazing looks, and also she teaches really well. And a lot of her looks are like looks that you can do. They're beautiful, but yet you can create them yourself because she does a good job showing you how to. And not only that, her personality is so much fun to watch. So definitely go check her out, and I'll also leave a link to her Instagram. Her pictures are so nice, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to recreate all of these. So she is amazing, and she will also be doing this challenge on her channel. So I will leave all the information in my description below. So please go check her out and give her some love. The challenge that we're doing today is kind of great because it's great for people who are on the run and don't have much time to do their makeup, but at the same time it is a little challenging to have to put on a full face with just 5 products as well. Especially knowing that there's going to be a timer is going to kind of make me nervous, but we can do it. I've already set out my 5 products and I have everything in here. I've thought about it to see what would work, how can I use one product for many different things so that I can minimize it. Trying to find the 5 was a little challenging. I didn't think it was gonna be, but it was a little challenging. I do have moisturizer on and lip balm on, and I've also curled my lashes. So those are not makeup products, so I figured they were fine. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Wish me luck. I do want to put my hair back so that I am not trying to fix my hair at the same time because nobody has time for that right now. We have 5 minutes to get our life together. Alright, so we're going to get started. I'm going to try to show you the products as much as I can, but I will leave it in the description if I don't get a chance because sometimes the camera doesn't want to focus and I don't want to lose time. But I'm going to start 5 minutes on the clock right now. Wish me luck. So 5 minutes, let's get started. So first I want to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect and put that all over my face. So I'm really going to concentrate a few of it like right underneath my eyes. And then the rest all over. There we go. Ooh. Already 30 seconds in. This does make me nervous. I wanted to go with a powder before. Ugh. I'm sorry guys. I wanted to go in with a powder, but I figured I don't know if it's gonna give me enough coverage, and I know my Milani does. It is a medium coverage foundation, but I feel like it does give you medium to full. I feel like it does give you good coverage though. Alright. So that's that. I think I'm pretty happy with that. How that looks. I'm going to leave my eyes alone. Alright, time to move on. Next, I'm going to take my E.L.F. to contour with, and I'm going to use the darkest color right here and bring some shape back into my face. I'm like working as fast as I can. And I think that's good. I don't think my nose needs too much. And then of course, I just can't leave my nose alone. There you go. Put some color back into the face. Now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Nude palette right here, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into Tickle, which is like a nice pink color. and put that all over my lid. And I'm working with the natural color of my lids as well. So I'm like a few more minutes. So try not to spend too much time on that. And then I'm going to take my L'Oreal mascara and add some mascara to my eyes. So there's no time to line it, but I feel like if you add a good amount of mascara, it kind of makes your eyes look a little lined. And I'm going really in, and I'm going to the bottom as well. Yes, guys, I look crazy. Right. So, less than 2 minutes. Time is flying. Oh, mascara, come on. Right. There's no time to line my eyes or anything. Oh, I'm like poking myself in the eye. I knew mascara was going to take the longest for some reason because my lashes are difficult sometimes, and I do want them to look as fluffy as I can get them to look. Alright, now I'm actually going to go back into my Huda Beauty, and I'm going to take that same color Tickle, and I'm going to add a little bit onto my cheeks with my fingers, just to add a little bit of flair. I have like less than a minute. There you go, just a little bit. Nothing crazy. I'm going to go back into my sponge and just kind of do that. And then I'm going to take my lipstick. I'm using this by Wet n Wild. It's a stick, and I feel like that's like the best way to go when you don't have time. So I'm going to put that on. There we go. Lipstick's on. I have like 18 seconds. I think we're doing pretty good. I'm going to take my, there's no product on here. I'm just going to clean my brushes, my brows, just to make them look nice. 4 seconds, and I think I'm done actually. And that's it. Time is up. Alright guys, so how do you think I did? Here we go, let me put my hair down so you can get a better effect of how this looks. I don't think this looks bad. I mean, I know it's not much around my eyes, but I think because of the fullness of the mascara, as much as I can get it, it's okay not to have a liner. I do have a little bit of a blush on my cheeks, but the contour and everything, I think this looks good. So that's what I could do in 5 minutes with 5 products. 5 minutes goes by so fast. Oh my goodness, and that did kind of get me nervous. I was trying not to spend too much time on my foundation, because when you are sitting there trying to like basically like pat it down, it does take a little bit of time, and you do want to make sure that it is distributed evenly. But I am actually quite happy with this. I would go out like this. So yeah guys, that is 5 minutes with 5 products. I feel like I did a pretty decent job. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know how you think I did. And also please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And also guys, please go check Isa's channel. We're actually doing this video at the same time, so I haven't seen her video yet, but I'm sure she did an amazing job. So go to her channel, send her some love. I will leave all of her information in my description, so please check that out and send her some love and support. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye. So you're telling me I only need 5 minutes to get ready?